This Korean chicken meal prep recipe is your new cheat code for weight loss. Each serving has about 54 grams of protein, 420 calories, and tastes just as good as takeout without the excessive calories. Take out a bowl to mix the marinade ingredients in. Add 4 tablespoons of gochujang paste. Add 4 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce. Coconut aminos also works here as well. Add 2 tablespoons of honey. You can drop this if you want the calories even lower, but I'd recommend keeping it in for the full flavor. Add 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Add 1.5 teaspoons of minced garlic and 1.5 teaspoons of minced ginger. Now for our seasonings. Add 1 teaspoon onion powder. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Add half a teaspoon black pepper. And finally, add half a teaspoon of red chili flakes. Give it a good mix until everything is combined. Grab your chicken. I'm using 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast here. Take out a large plastic bag and then add your chicken into the bag. Grab back your marinade and pour about half into the bag. We'll save the other half for coating our cooked chicken in the sauce. Close the bag and then give it a good mix until the chicken is fully coated in the marinade. Then place your bag in the fridge for about 2 hours, preferably longer if possible. Now we'll cook our cauliflower rice. Turn a burner on medium heat, place a large skillet on top, give it a light spray of oil. Once it heats up, add 12 ounces of cauliflower rice onto the skillet. We'll season it with a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper, and a pinch of garlic powder. Cook it on medium heat for about 5 to 8 minutes while stirring occasionally. Once it's cooked, remove it from the skillet. Once you're ready to cook your chicken, return your skillet back to the stove and give it a light spray of oil. Add your chicken into the pan and cook on medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes. After about 5 to 7 minutes, flip it over and finish cooking it for another 5 to 7 minutes. Once it's done cooking, remove it from the skillet and finish cooking your remaining chicken breasts. Now for the sauce. Return your skillet one more time to the stove on medium-low heat. Pour your sauce, then let it heat up for a few minutes. I've already cut my chicken here. Be sure to cut yours however you'd like. Add your chicken into the pan and coat it in the sauce. It should get nice and sticky. Garnish it with some sesame seeds, then you're done cooking it. Now we'll portion our meals. Grab 4 meal prep containers, your cooked cauliflower rice, and chicken. Equally portion out your rice and chicken into each container. Garnish them with some green onions, then you're all set for the week with this delicious Korean chicken and cauliflower rice. If you want to see more high protein, low calorie lunch recipes like this, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, be sure to check out my other high protein recipes on my channel. And if you found this recipe helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more healthy recipes every week.